Forecast. Here's KATC meteorologist Bradley Benoit.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, most of us staying on the quiet side this afternoon. A few isolated storms along St. Mary Parish this afternoon, but that was about it. We stay pretty dry and a little bit hotter as we start the work week. Plus, we're still dropping a couple of things out in the tropics. More on that in just a little bit. But first, taking a look at the water vapor imagery, and this really paints a pretty good picture to what we're going to be dealing with as we head to the next couple of days. The main upper trough that's still going to draw Isaias toward the east coast is now pushing off to our east, leaving us on the back side of that trough, meaning drier, more stable air is going to look to move into the area from the north. So rain chances coming down as we start the work week. Temperatures coming up, but not quite as hot. It's going to be a little bit more bearable. We'll talk about that in just a little bit. Let's roll it through overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Looking to stay rather quiet. Lows tonight dropping into the lower to mid 70s. And as we head through the course of tomorrow afternoon, partly cloudy skies, maybe an isolated storm or two, but that's about it. Rain coverage much lower than what we were dealing with yesterday. And then into tomorrow evening, things looking to stay quiet. As we head into Tuesday, pretty much similar story, quiet start. And as we head into the afternoon on Tuesday, again, looking to stay on the drier side once again. The high temperatures the next couple of days are going to be in the lower to mid 90s, but look at our heat indices or what it's going to feel like out there. Maybe only a degree or two warmer. So yes, still hot, but at least bearable and better than what we could be dealing with this time of year. Could easily be 5 to 10 degrees warmer than that. So of course we'll take it. And that kind of continues again as we head into Tuesdays. Those heat indices still only sitting in the mid 90s or so. Now here's what we're looking at as we head to the rest of the work week. Dry conditions again through Tuesday. By Wednesday and Thursday, we'll watch a little bit of moisture try to move in from the west into southwestern Louisiana. Some of that tries to creep into Acadiana. So rain chances perk up a little bit, but all in all, staying on the lower side. And then another round of drier air looks to move in as we head into Friday. Now here's a look out in the tropics. Gulf of Mexico still looking pretty good. Out in the open Atlantic, still dealing with a tropical wave just now on the northern side of the islands here. Hurricane Center still giving it about a 60% chance to develop in the next 5 days, but this will eventually recurve out to sea, not really be much of a threat. Tropical storm Isaias here just off the eastern coast of Florida. Still a tropical storm as it battles dry air and wind shear, so never really got upgraded to a hurricane this afternoon. Certainly good news there. Here's the 4 o'clock advisory. Winds were at 70 miles per hour, moving to the north-northwest at around 9. Tropical storm warning still in effect for parts of the eastern seaboard. And again, the track stays roughly the same, what we've been talking about the last couple of days, taking it into the Carolinas and eventually the New England states here as we head through the work week as a tropical storm. But again, no impacts for us here in Acadiana. Lows tonight dropping into the lower to mid 70s under pretty quiet conditions out there. And then as we head into your Monday, rain chances only sitting at around 10%. And again, it will be hot out there, but at least more bearable for our heat indices as they'll only be sitting in the mid 90s or so. Let's roll through the next 10 days. Pretty August-like weather out there. Rain chances will sit at around 10, 20, maybe 30% for some days this week. But again, summer conditions are going to be in full swing here in Acadiana.